Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our grocery day and I wanted to share with you what I was able to get for our weekly grocery haul. This is a keto friendly, as best as I could based on the monies that I have, friendly haul. So the kids and I are doing keto. If you've been joining us for any length of time, you know that that's the lifestyle that we are living. We are on a very tight budget in the summer months because I just went back to work the second week of August. So I have not gotten a full paycheck since the last of May. We've been living off my summer share money. And then whatever money Dad sends for the kids has helped to get groceries. So he did send a deposit. Well, a deposit came through today, so we were able to get some groceries. My budget was $75. I went over by $5. I spent right at $80 and I think like 28 cents. And I shopped at Walmart. So this is what I was able to get, and let me share with you the haul. So I got some of these great value pepperonis. We really like cauliflower and broccoli. They are 98 cents. This was $2.26. Cauliflower and broccoli florets were 98 cents a piece. So I got 3 cauliflower, 3 broccoli florets. We've been ricing this. We have not been eating it whole. We've just been microwaving it and then putting it in our food processor and ricing it. So we got that. Strawberries were $3.36. This real bacon pieces was $4.78. We use that in eggs. We use that in all kinds of things. Heavy whipping cream was $1.60. Then we got some spices, oregano, garlic powder, and chili powder. They were all 98 cents a piece. Diced green chilies were 72 cents. Chunk light tuna and water was 68 cents each. I'm going to make tuna salad for lunches. We got 2 things of bologna. They were 98 cents. Baking powder was $1. Mayo was $1.98. Now, I realize that this probably is not the cleanest mayo. However, this is what I could afford this week at $1.94, so I went with it. We are going to have deviled eggs. I am going to get my pressure cooker out, or my Instant Pot, and do boiled eggs. And I am going to make tuna and then bologna sandwiches, and I'll explain to you about the sandwich part in a minute. The mega sours were $3.48. The soy sauce was $1.72. I would have liked to get coconut aminos, but it is not in my budget this week. We then were able to pick up some ranch dressing. Just classic ranch was 92 cents. The unsweetened vanilla almond unsweetened vanilla almond milk was like $1.82. The sugar-free G. Hughes ketchup was $2.88. The cheese slices were $1.33 each. The mozzarella extra sharp cheddar and the sharp cheddar shredded cheese was $1.74. Cheese has gone up at our store. Cream cheese for 2 blocks was $1.33. The butter was $2.98. Pork rinds were $1.78, and then this cranberry black cherry diet was $1.48. Then we got the paper towels for $1.93. Shrimp were $5.44. Tilapia was the same, $5.44. We got 40 trash bags for $2 and some change, and then I got paper plates. So I got the small paper plates, and then I got regular size. And because the kids like to snack throughout the day, I got these smaller ones because we're honestly going through quite a lot of them. We don't have a lot of dishes, like dishes, so that just helps us out for right now. So anywho, this is our grocery haul. So let me tell you about the cheese. We got quite a bit of cheese this week, and that's because we have discovered Chihuahuas. That is something that I saw. I don't know where I saw. I did not see it on Instagram, but I heard that Instagram is really blowing up with Chihuahuas. So yesterday, I actually made a puffle, which was pork rind Chihuahuas, and then we also made just the one with mozzarella cheese. So I got the pepperoni and the mozzarella cheese so we can do the pizza chaffles. And then I got the cheddar so we could do the cheddar bay biscuit chaffles or the Cheddar Bay, you know, like the biscuits at Red Lobster chaffles. And I think that's going to be a good snack for the kids to kind of fill them up a little bit. Like right now, we're getting ready to go to Taekwondo. We're going to be gone for a couple hours. If I were to make them a chaffle real quick, I know for sure that would keep them full until we got home to do dinner. And they might not even need a large dinner. The reason I got the tilapia fillets last Sunday, we had family and friends over, and I made salmon patties, but I didn't use salmon. I used tilapia, and I just ground it up in my food processor, and they were wonderful. So, and then I did the unstuffed peppers using shrimp, and they were really good. So I think we're going to have those two meals again, or I'm thinking about putting some of the shrimp in the tilapia, making shrimp and tilapia cakes, so, or patties. So we're going to put the groceries up, and I am going to share with you our meal plan. Okay, you guys, so it is a lot later than what I had planned on it being to finish up this video, but here's some of the ideas that I think we're going to do for this week. So I'm going to make some hard-boiled eggs because I want to make some deviled eggs. I'm going to do some tuna salad, and then we're going to do a cream cheese dip for the cucumbers. We still have some cucumbers in there. For our meals, we're going to be cooking several things that we've already had this week, but we really enjoyed them. We're going to do the unstuffed peppers using our shrimp, and we got this from the Craveable Keto cookbook. It's her shrimp and rice stuffed peppers, but I'm doing them unstuffed because I like them that way. This is going to be tilapia patties. That's coming from Southern Keto's cookbook, where she does her salmon patties. But I got tilapia, and last week I just ground it up in my food processor, and it worked out real well. I am going to film this for you guys. So I'm going to find a recipe online that is a salmon patty recipe that's close to hers, and I'll film that one for you. Then I'm going to do a stuffed chicken breast with mozzarella wrapped in bacon and a balsamic cream sauce. That came out of the balsamic cream sauce is coming from Craveable Keto. Then we're going to do a creamy broccoli and ground beef casserole from Southern Keto. We're going to do BBQ chicken drumsticks using a white barbecue sauce. Then we're going to do Italian sausage and Caulirice. And then some additional side dishes. We're going to do radishes and bacon with garlic and butter. And then green beans. We're going to make soy green beans. And then we'll make them again with bacon, because we have several cans of green beans we need to use up. So that's our quick meal plan. I don't know which day I'm going to do what, but I will write it down in my meal planner, because this is my page. I just haven't filled it in. That was my grocery list. So I'm going to fill this in on my regular sheet, and then I will let you guys know. I will do my best to put this down in the description box with all the other information from the video. So anywho, this is what it is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.